A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Let the relaxation begin in the tips of your toes. Then move slowly up through your feet, calves, thighs, torso, arms, and hands. Feel any tension releasing with each inhale and exhale. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Notice any sensations or emotions that are coming up for you now. Acknowledge them without judgment or criticism. Simply allow them to be as they are. Now imagine yourself in a place of stillness and peace. It can look however you choose: a meadow, a forest, or simply a calm void of space. Notice the soothing energy that this environment brings to your body and mind. Take your time to explore and connect with this place. Notice the smells, sounds, sights, and textures that are present in this space. Allow yourself to just be here without any expectations or goals you might have. When you're ready, take a few moments to bring your awareness back to the physical sensations in your body. Breathe in and out. Bring one hand to rest on top of the other on your lap or chest. Acknowledge any new feelings or insights that may have come up for you during this brief moment of stillness and peace. Take a few deep breaths, reminding yourself that it's okay and normal to find moments of quietude in your day. Allow yourself to just be here in this moment, letting all thoughts drift away on the next breath. Take as much time as you need in this tranquil state before slowly coming back to full awareness when you are ready. Feel rested, relaxed, and at peace with the world around you.